In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the refresh rate on any iPhone model, including the 12 Pro Max. You will be able to have a fixed 60 Hz if you prefer a lower refresh rate, or upwards of 120 if you like fast-paced, higher refresh rates. So all that you have to do is head over to the settings to control this. So go into the settings on your iPhone and then access the accessibility category. Scroll down until you find the option. Inside of accessibility, you will have the vision category at the top and you will find the motion options. This is what you are looking for. So go into motion under accessibility. Now you will find the only setting related to refresh rate on any iPhone model, including the 12 Pro Max, limit frame rate. As the name suggests, this will allow you to set a limit to the refresh rate. So even though they call it frame rate, it is essentially the same thing. So if you enable this option, you will fix the screen's refresh rate to 60. So if you are having eye discomfort from having too high of a refresh rate, just enable this. And with a fixed 60 Hz of refresh rates, you will be good to go to lower any sort of eye discomfort that you might be having. By default, this option is going to be off. So if you have never changed this, the option will be off and your refresh rate will not be locked. This means that it can go to upwards of 120. The reason why I say can go is because you will not be able to fix the refresh rate of your screen to 120. Apple doesn't allow users to fix the refresh rate to 120, only 60. So by disabling this option, the screen will automatically adjust itself to the situation. If you are doing something fast-paced like playing a game, it will automatically enable the higher refresh rates at 120. But if you are just doing day-to-day browsing, maybe reading something or using basic apps, then it will lower itself. This is done in order to save battery. So just let this option be off if you want possible higher refresh rates. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.